We all watched last week as President Trump signed an order targeting only General Motors to make ventilators.
Well, the company is now showing how it's been responding, making those life-saving devices, as well as much-needed face masks right here in Metro Detroit.
Jim Kernsner is in Warren to break it all down.
We now know General Motors is not using the old transmission shop floor. They've converted a clean HVAC room for this production, and General Motors is showing us pictures of here and the ventilator production in Indiana.
This project has happened, really real time in, really the last 9 to 10 days.
GM has partnered with Ventec, a maker of ventilators, to make them at the GM plant in Kokomo, Indiana, where precision electrical components are made. The logistics started from the ground up, calling back 1,000 UAW workers to volunteer to learn this with full pay. It won't be traditional assembly line work, most sitting with intricate hand labor. Ventec experts converting everything and everyone.
Explaining to us how the ventilator works, tearing it down, and then we're starting to think about the process of how do we build this.
President Trump put the heat on GM last Friday, saying they were wasting time.
I can't really comment on that. We obviously started the around-the-clock collaboration with Ventec and with the mask project here long before, tweets and press conferences in Washington.
In Warren, face mask production also started from scratch. GM in-house experts who normally work with fabrics, seat belts, and trim transformed GM materials to make metal nose pieces and elastic straps. Most materials will come from medical suppliers. Get this, 2 Michigan companies designed the machines in just the last 10 days. As of yesterday, they've made 2,000 masks to work out flaws. They will scale up to make 20,000 by next Wednesday and 1.5 million a month as needed.
This is not about us selling more Tahoes and Yukons and Malibus. This is about what's doing right.
And check this out. Elon Musk, the head of Tesla, tweeting out today he's ready to deliver extra ventilators he has around the world free of charge. He claims he delivered 1,200 that he got from China to hospitals in California within the last week. In Warren, Jim Kernsner, 7 Action News.
All right, thank you, Jim.